Hello everybody, this is Ezekiel again. Last time I was here to talk about an issue I was having with Elementor Builder on a particular website, and today I'm here to share how I was able to solve it. Now, a quick backstory. This particular website was hacked some months ago, and then we manually cleaned the entire file system, removing the malicious codes that were added, updated the modified files, replacing the core files, cleaning the DB, and at the end of the day the website became very clean. So we moved on until when I wanted to edit the page to make some modification to the content, and I realized the home page was not loading. Now it was an issue because I struggled with it. Like, I was just wondering why was the page not loading, because every other page on the same website was loading fine. In fact, I was able to make edits on them, but the home page was just not loading. And I've checked everything, checked if there is any form of custom code that was added specifically to the home page. There was nothing like that. At some point, I had to also deactivate every other plugin just to test for plugin conflict, but it still did not work. So I left it, and then I came back to it yesterday after some time, and I started checking the home page again. I had to inspect the entire home page, check section by section to see if there are anything suspicious on the page. Now, I've been seeing a particular empty space at the bottom of the page for some time, but I just felt like possibly the person that developed the home page just left an empty section there, because it was empty, it was blank, just a white space, not so much at the bottom of the page, immediately above the footer, right? So yesterday, while I was checking, I got to that particular section and I inspected the content from the front end. I inspected and I realized that there were actually 3 sections in that small space, 3 Elementor sections, and each of those sections contains an HTML widget, right? I went down into the HTML widget itself, and then I realized that there was an anchor link that is leading to an external website showing a form of Philippine language or something like that. So at that point I knew that was the problem, but there was no way to remove those